Good morning, dear students. Now let us do exercise 15.1, question number 1, subpart 1. CP, we have to find out here gain and profit. CP and SP are given. CP is equal to 140, SP is equal to 200. So solution, CP is equal to 140, SP is equal to 200. Now first of all, we will find out whether SP is greater than CP or smaller than CP. If SP is greater than CP, it means it's a profit or gain. And when SP is smaller than CP, then it is a loss. Now we'll see here, SP is 200 and CP is 150. So SP is greater than CP, then it is a profit or gain. So we'll write the formula for profit. Profit is equal to, we know, SP minus CP. What is SP? 200 minus CP 140. 0 minus 0 is 0. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. This 2 becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, profit or gain is rupees 60, where SP is greater than CP. Let us do subpart 2 of question number 1. CP is equal to rupees 500 and SP is equal to rupees 410. So solution, CP is rupees 500, SP is rupees 410. Now we will find out whether it is a loss or a gain. So SP here is smaller than CP. CP is 500 and SP is 410. So SP is smaller than CP, then it is a loss. So we'll write here formula for loss. Loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. What is CP? 500. SP 410. So we'll subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. This 5 becomes 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So therefore loss is rupees 90. So this is how we are going to take out loss when SP is smaller than CP. Children, let us do question number 2, subpart 3. Here we have to find the CP when SP and loss are given. SP is rupees 1730, loss is rupees 402.30. Now let us see the solution. SP is given rupees 1730. Loss is given rupees 402.30. Now we have to find out the CP. We know because it's a loss, so SP is smaller than CP. We know the formula of loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP because here SP is smaller. So CP is greater. So CP minus SP. Now we'll derive formula for CP. So CP is equal to what it will be? This will go on the other side. So minus SP will become plus SP. So loss plus SP. So CP is equal to, loss is how much? 402.30 plus SP is 1730. We'll add. So now let us add 1730, 402.30. So we'll put 2 zeros here to make it equivalent decimals. Now 0, 3, decimal 2, 3, 7 plus 4, 11, 2. So this is now 2, 1, 3, 2.30. So therefore CP is rupees 2132.30. See here, CP is greater than SP. Why? Because it's a loss. So it will be greater. You can check your answer also. Check. How are we going to check? We know that loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now we'll subtract. What is CP? 2132 32.30 minus SP 1730.00. So 3020, 11 minus 7, 4, 402.30. Loss, we got it. So this CP is correct. This is how we are going to find out the CP. Thank you, children. Children, now let us do question number 3, subpart 4. Here we have to find out SP when CP and loss are given. Now let us see the solution. CP is rupees 140. Loss is rupees 80. Now we know loss takes place when SP is smaller than CP. So the formula would be loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now we have to find out SP, so we'll derive formula from this main formula. SP is here negative, so we'll bring this on the other side of the equal to, and that becomes positive. Now this loss, we'll write CP, and this loss is taken to the other side of the equal to. Here it is positive, so it will become negative there. So CP minus loss. SP is equal to CP minus loss. What is CP? Rupees 140. Loss 80. Now subtract 0. 14 minus 8, 6. So SP is rupees 60. We can check also. How are we going to check? We'll subtract CP 140. We'll subtract SP from that 60. So what do we get? 14 minus 6, 8. 80 is loss. So we got 80. So this answer is correct. This is how we are going to check. And this is how we are going to derive the sub-formulas from the main formula. Thank you, children. Children, now let us do question number 4 of exercise 15.1, profit and loss. Question number 4 says, an old radio set was bought for rupees 780 and rupees 220 was spent on its repair. It was sold for rupees 990. Find his gain or loss percent. So first of all, we'll find it is a gain or a loss, and then we'll find the percent of gain or loss. Now solution, let us see the solution. CP of the radio set is rupees 780. Overhead expenses in repairing. So repairing was done for rupees 220. So what is now total CP? It would be rupees 780 plus rupees, this overhead is added. So that becomes rupees 0, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. So now it is rupees 1000. Now SP of radio set is rupees 990. So we'll see whether SP is greater or smaller than CP. See, CP becomes 1000 and SP is 990. So SP is smaller than CP, means it is a loss. Now we'll find out loss. We know that formula of loss is equals to CP minus SP. So what is CP? 1000 minus SP, what it is? 990. So that becomes 0, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 9, 0. So this is rupees 10 is the loss. This is loss. We have found loss. Now we have to find out the percent of loss. So loss percent equals to, the formula is loss by CP into 100%. Whether it is loss percent or gain percent, it is always calculated with CP, the cost price. Now let us see what is loss. This is 10 divided by what was CP, 1000 rupees, into 100. Now we'll cancel zeros. 1 0, 1 0, another 0, another 0, third 0. So what we are left with, 1 into 1 divided by 1 is 1%. So loss is rupees 10. Loss percent is 1%. So it was loss percent is 1%. This is how we are going to find out the gain or loss percent.